Welcome students. Let us continue our discussion with kinetics of particles 1 by solving some more problems on movable pulleys. The next question is, the system shown is released from rest, neglecting size of pulleys and friction, find acceleration of each block. The diagram is given in the question. So as usual, we will start by drawing free body diagrams, but before that we have to assume some tensions. So let me assume that tension in this cable is T. So if in this cable the tension is T and it is passing over the smooth pulley, the tension on this side will also be T. Now this cable continues to pass over this pulley, which is again massless and frictionless. Hence the tension on this side of the cable will also be T. Again this string or cable passes through this pulley, which is again a frictionless and massless pulley. Hence the tension on this side will also be T. Now we need tension on this particular cord, so we will make a free body diagram of this pulley, wherein there is T here, there is T here. There are two T which are going upward, and to maintain the equilibrium of the body, there should be two T which is acting downward. So the tension on this cable will be 2T. Now let us proceed further with the free body diagram of this particular bodies. So starting with the first body, which is 150 Newton body. So first we'll be showing the tension in the cables. So it will be T going upward, then self weight going downwards 150. Then as this block is not in contact with any other surface, there will be no friction force and there will be no surface reaction. With this I have completed showing all the forces acting on the body. Next step is to apply conditions of equilibrium. But before that we need to show the inertia force or the imaginary force, which is in the direction opposite to the motion of the body. So now we have to assume some direction of motions. So let me assume that this B is moving downward. If B is moving downward, this block will move upward and this block will also move upward. Now, as this block is moving upward, the inertia force will be downward with a value of mass, that is 150 divided by 9.81 multiplied by acceleration of A. Let this be body A. So now we can apply conditions of equilibrium. So starting with it, I will get summation of Fy is equal to 0. So I have T going upward, 150 divided by 9.81 AA going downward, and this 150 also going downward. So I will have T minus 15.29 AA minus 150 is equal to 0. So rearranging, I will get the equation as T minus 150 is equal to 15.29 AA. Let this be equation number 1. Now let us proceed further by drawing free body diagram of this particular body, that is B. So starting with it, there is a body B of weight 450 Newton. First we'll be showing the applied force or tension in the cable, that is 2T. Then self weight, which is 450 Newton. Then as this body is not in contact with any surface, there will be no contact reaction and there will be no friction force. Now next is to show the inertia force or the imaginary force. So as this body is moving downward, the inertia force will be upward with a value 450 divided by 9.81, because I need mass here, acceleration of B. Now I can apply the conditions of equilibrium to this particular body. So let us start with that. So starting for block B with summation of Fy is equal to 0, I will have 2T plus 450 divided by 9.81 AB minus 450 is equal to 0. So I will return here same thing. Just I have solved this part. 450 divided by 9.81 gives me 45.87. And just rearranging this equation, I will get 2T minus 450 is equal to minus 45.87 AB. And let this be equation number 2. Now similarly we can go for free body diagram of C, that is this one. So starting with it, we have the applied force or tension, that is T. then self weight which is 300. As this body is moving upside, the acceleration or the inertia force will be downside, which will be m, that is 300 divided by 9.81 multiplied by AC. Now we can apply conditions of equilibrium to this particular body. Let us start with that. So starting with block C, summation of Fy is equal to 0. I will have T going upwards, so positive T, minus 300 divided by 9.81 AC, minus 300 is equal to 0. So I will get minus 30.58 AC plus T minus 300 is equal to 0. On solving it, on rearranging it, I will get T minus 450 is equal to 30.58 AC. Let this be equation number 3. Now, in equation 1, there are two unknowns T and AA. Equation 2, there are two unknowns T and AB. Equation 3, there are two unknowns T and AC. So in all, total unknowns are 4 and equations are only 3. So the next equation we will make is the relation between the acceleration. Now again we will go by the shortcut method. So what is shortcut? It's very simple. I will write first all the three bodies acceleration, that is AA, AB and AC. Next part, write the coefficient of tensions on that body. So for block A there was T, so I will write 1 only. For block B it was 2, and for block C again it is 1. Next step, see here, the block is moving upside and also the direction of tension is upside. Both the directions are same, hence it will be positive. Here also direction of 2T is upside but motion is downside. So as motion and direction of force are different, it will be a negative sign. Then in this case, both the direction of force and motion are same, hence it will be plus, and this all should be equal to 0. This same equation you will get when you apply work done principle or virtual work done principle. So you can go by shortcut also and you can go by virtual work method also, and you will get the same answer, which is AA minus 2AB plus AC is equal to 0, and let this be equation number 4. So these are our 4 equations. Now what we can do, I can write from this equation I will get AA is equal to T minus 150 divided by 15.29. Similarly from here I can get AB is equal to 2T minus 450 divided by 45.87, but as it is minus here I can write down minus. And similarly I will get AC is equal to T minus 450, there is a mistake here, it should be T minus 300. So here I will get T minus 300 divided by, it will be 30.58. So I got AA, AB and AC. I will just put in this particular equation. So I will get T minus 150 divided by 15.29 minus this minus, and this minus becomes plus. So 2 times AB. So it will be 2T minus 450 divided by 45.87, and last I will get plus AC, which is T minus 300 divided by 30.58. So now if you observe this equation, the only unknown this entire equation is T. So solving for T, I will get answer for T as 214.42 newtons. And once I got T, I can put the values of T in these 3 equations, that is these 3, to get the answers for AA, AB and AC. So I will get answer for AB. So I will get answers for AA as 4.21 meter per second square, AB as 0.46 meter per second square, and AC as minus 2.79 meter per second square. So in the question it was asked, find acceleration of each block. So the acceleration of each blocks are as under, which is 4.21, 0.46 and minus 2.79 respectively. And this completes the solution. Thank you.